Hey, Sightgoers, welcome back. You have a group of friends that you can always count on? Making new friends can be intimidating, but building strong, lasting friendships is worth it. Here are 5 pieces of advice for friendship to help you make those connections. No. 1. Be authentic. Are you true to who you are? It can be tempting to try to be someone not in order to fit in or be accepted, but that can get in the way of forming genuine connections. According to an article from Greater Good, a publication from the University of California, Berkeley, researchers pegged this as one of the main reasons for why some friendships work while others don't. The bottom line, true friends value you for who you are. Trying to pretend you're someone else will only attract the wrong people. By being authentic, you'll build trust and deeper connections with those who appreciate you for you. No, to communicate openly. How often do you talk to your friends? Good friends communicate openly and honestly with one another. If something is bothering you, talk about it with your friend, instead of letting misunderstandings grow into bigger issues. Keeping secrets or bottled up emotions can lead to arguments and resentment. By communicating openly, you'll be able to clear up any misunderstandings and strengthen your bond with your friend. No. 3. Support each other's growth. What kind of friend are you? A good friend will always have your best interests at heart. They'll cheer you on and want the best for you. Real friends help each other become the best versions of themselves. This means celebrating each other's successes and offering support during tough times. A good friend will always be there to lend a helping hand or a listening ear. They'll help you through tough times and be there to celebrate your wins. Big and small. No. 4. Make time for each other. Life gets busy and it can be tough to find time for the ones you love, but making time for your friends is important. It doesn't have to be a big gesture. Sometimes the smallest ones mean the most. Sending a quick message or giving them a call to see how they are redoing can make their day. It shows them that you care and that you're thinking of them. No. 5. Forgive and let go. No one's perfect. They all make mistakes, and sometimes those mistakes can hurt others. Maybe you said something you didn't mean or forgot about an important event. It happens. The important thing to do is own up to it and apologize when you've hurt someone. True friends are able to forgive and let go of grudges. Holding on to anger or resentment will only hurt the relationship in the long run. So what do you think? Would you like a title for this too? So here are a couple suggestions: how to make friends and keep them, or the do's and don'ts of friendship. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like button and share it with a friend. Subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching.